Hello friends. So today we'll see an awesome hack for all the artists. So have you ever thought if it's okay to trace art? There's no cheating in art except when you're stealing someone else's work or ideas and claiming them as yours. So tracing something as a guide is not cheating. Tracing can actually become a tool that helps you save time. Many artists have used transfer paper or projectors to draw on the canvas before they paint. Even famous artists like Leonardo da Vinci used a kind of tracing to copy his sketches. So, do you want to know easy ways of tracing? Okay. First, if you have your picture, which is a copyright free one, of course, if you have your picture on paper, you know how to trace using the traditional way of the tracing paper. Second way, if you don't have your tracing paper, you can trace against a window where there is bright light outside. So you can use your masking tape, stick your photo and then the drawing sheet over it and trace on your sheet. Third is if your photo is in a digital format, you don't have a printout. So you can trace from your iPad or your laptop screen. Increase your brightness to full. Place your sheet on the screen very lightly and trace with a very gentle pencil. Be careful, use your pencil very lightly and not to harm your screen. Also, avoid giving it to children. So let me know if you found it useful or if you want to ask any other queries. I would be happy to help. Happy painting!